I wonder what's on TV. Good morning. Today is a big day in TSM world, because there are some visitor sirens from the state of Michigan that are coming to town today. And also, they are only gonna visit for a few hours, so meet them while you can. Oh wow. Sirens from Michigan? That could be interesting. I'm gonna call some friends over for this epic event. I'm gonna beat you this time.
Nope. I am going to win the 27th time in a row.
Oh, we'll just see about that. WTF. You never let me win.
Ha 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 hey 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 ha 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 ha. I have won for the 27th time in a row.
Oh, whatever. Hello? Hey Werner, today is a big day. Some visitor sirens from Michigan are coming here today. And do you wanna come? Cool. And sure, I wanna come. Also I have Blockhead with me too, if you want him to come too. Oh, what a coincidence. I was gonna call Blockhead next. Oh, that's funny. Anyways, we will come to your house to see the visitors soon. So see you there. Bye. Hello? Hey bro.
Hey Thunderbolt, quick question. Has 1003 been chasing you lately?
Yes. Every freaking day.
Oh. Well, that sucks hard. So hard it comes out the other end.
Get over here, Thunder Baby.
Oh my fracking god. Can you leave me alone for at least one day?
No. Never. I love you and you can't change that.
Hey. Leave him alone before I go full Dr. Octogonopus on you.
No. I ain't never gonna get him up.
Okay, you asked for it. Dr. Octogonopus.
Good riddance.
Is everything okay? I just heard an explosion.
Yeah, me too. Oh hey guys. I haven't seen you since the original Line Thunderbolt.
Yeah.
Wait, I see a plane landing at the nearest airport. So you guys must be the visitors from Michigan. Yep. I am the Alma Township Thunderbolt. I am used for fire calls and weather warnings. I am one of many Model 70s from Michigan. I came from Waltz Township, which is not far from Monroe.
I am the Monroe County Rainbow Modulator. I'm a very iconic siren, because FS painted me like this. And I am the Lambertville 500. I am 1 out of 5 remaining in the state.
Nice to meet all of you. I also have many friends for all of you to meet. Cool. I hope to meet them soon. Well, what kind of stuff is in Michigan? Well, there are many interesting sirens there. There is a green SD-10, a green Sentry 10B, a green Sentry 3V8H, and more. There's even a half-red Model B there, and that's 1 out of 3 remaining in the USA. And we also have that one Model 5 with horns attached to it.
My horns to be exact.
A Blue Darley Champion, another Champion with the custom housing, and even a Sterling M5 next to some crazy-looking mystery speakers. Awesome. Are there any more Thunderbolts there? Of course there are. There are many. Besides, there is a map on Google Maps that has a diagram of all of us sirens. Cool. I'll check it out sometime. But anyways, it was nice meeting you. Besides, I am kinda thirsty after that conversation with you. Also, we have Tempest Cola, as well as Dr. Penetrator for our main sodas here. Wait. You guys have Tempest Cola? We only have Thunder Cola in Michigan. Wow, really? Interesting. That's all sold out here, but I gotta go now. Okay, see you later. Hi. Hey. Who are you? I am one of many Model 70s from the state of Michigan. And I come from Waltz Township to be exact. Oh, well, I'm just the Model 7 that lives here. I am Model 70. I have a dual-toned chopper. Oh, I have a single-toned chopper. Wow, you sound like a P-15. And you sound like an learner. Yep, me and a learner have the same port ratio. Like you and P-15 have the same amount of ports. Yeah, some Model 7s have 12 port choppers, but I have an 8-port one. You have a 12-9-port chopper just like a learner. But it was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you too, so see ya later.
Hey there, who are you?
I'm P50 and you must respect me. Why are you painted like that?
Because FS painted me this way. Why? Are you jealous?
Fa, fa, fa. Fa 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 my bag on the swa raffle bags the ducks that's psych on my back.
Are you okay? Why are you laughing so hard?
Because you resemble a tower of Skittles. In that case, I'll call you Skittles. Fa.
What the Hey. Leave my friend alone, you loud fiberglass Home Depot paint bucket.
Oh, that's how it's gonna be, you giant fog light. I now challenge you to a fight.
Good riddance. Agreed.
Hey guys. Sorry I missed the fight.
It's fine.
Hey guys, I am here. Let's check the time. Oh crap. It's almost time to go. Let's board the plane now.
Okay, let's go.
Bye. See you guys later.
Hopefully you will all come back soon.
I agree with Blockhead.
Me too.
Are you ready to take off, Quadron?
Yes.
Attention all passengers. We will take off in just a second. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Wow. That was awesome. I agree.
Wait, do I see P50 laying down, unconscious over there?
No, it's because P50 was fighting against the Lambertville 500 and lost.
Ha 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 ha. What a loser.
Right? Oh. Wait, did you get a chance to meet the Michigan Sirens?
Yeah. I met the Lambertville 500 and he seemed nice.
And I talked to the Waltz Township Model 70, because we have the same port ratio. Not to mention that Model 7 told me about him. Oh yeah. Anyways, let's go home.